Two top prosecutors with the San Francisco's DA's office have quit. The two are now joining the effort to remove their former boss, District Attorney Chesa Boudin. KTVU crime reporter Henry Lee joins us live with why they say they believe the DA here, Henry, is a danger to the city.
Well, Mike's side deals with his former public defender colleagues, releasing dangerous criminals with no consequence. Those are some of the reasons two top former ADAs say Chesa Boudin has got to go.
I urge San Francisco voters to recall Chesa Boudin.
He selectively enforces laws in the state of California according to his own political priorities.
Brooke, Jenkins, and Bain both quit as San Francisco prosecutors. They say their former boss, Chesa Boudin, is putting San Francisco at risk. Now, the two have joined the campaign to recall the self-described progressive prosecutor.
His policies and approach is anything but progressive. To the contrary, his approach has been extreme and radical.
Jenkins, who was a homicide prosecutor, says Boudin, a former public defender, still has an allegiance with his ex-colleagues in that office.
He allows public defenders and his former colleagues to simply contact him directly in order to achieve the result that they desire.
He releases criminal offenders prematurely and impetuously.
Bain was a former Solano County DA before prosecuting domestic violence cases in San Francisco. He blasted Boudin for releasing repeat offender Troy McAllister from jail on a plea deal last year for robbery and failing to charge him for other cases afterward. Then, on New Year's Eve, authorities say McAllister was drunk and driving a stolen car when he ran over and killed two women at 2nd and Mission.
Those two women would be alive today, but for Chesa's reckless and dangerous decision.
In a statement, the DA's office said in part, "We are disappointed that former staff members have chosen to politicize their departures and spread misinformation about DA Boudin, specific cases, and the hard work of our dedicated prosecutors and staff. All criminal cases are complex, and certainly there may be disagreements on process, but twisting those disagreements for obvious political purposes does nothing to make our city safer or improve the pursuit of justice." Now, these two former assistant DAs are now volunteering their time on the campaign to remove Chesa Boudin. That campaign has submitted more than 83,000 signatures, which will likely force a recall election in June. Mike?
All right, Henry, thank you.